Today we're going to unbox this ECOVACS GOAT. This is the A2500 size. They make a few different sizes, but this is basically an RTK model, which means it has a built-in GPS, so it knows exactly where it is in the lawn. You don't need any wire. The installation is very simple. You can install this. All you need is your phone. You basically drive it around your lawn like an RC car, and it makes a map of your lawn. And it cuts it inside there within an intelligent grid, so you can see that here. It's also water resistant. It can go on a 50% slope. It cuts from 1.2 to 3.6 inches high. It has dual cutting blades and what have you. The app allows you to set up schedules and all kinds of things. So we have our owner's manual here. And I just want to quickly open this up. So this is basically the pole. Do need to run this to power. So this robot has a giant battery in it, which allows it to cut a lot of grass, but it needs to be plugged in, right? So this will have to be placed somewhere with a docking station in your lawn where you can plug it in, and this can get to it pretty easily. Basically on the same level as your grass. That is pretty. Oh, wow. Put the robot there. See what else. Okay, so this is some of the satellite information. This is the receiver. Everything's wrapped in this nice, but this is basically like the plugs, and this is the RTK. This is basically the satellite. This is a docking station. This is what you need to put in your lawn somewhere so that this can come up, basically come and go, the robot, and charge itself. So it will go out, it'll mow your lawn when it needs to be recharged. It'll come here, charge, and then go back out. All right, so that is pretty much it. This robot a little bit closer. It is really pretty. Very nice. It's not going to look this nice for too much longer, so let's admire this brand new. Oh yeah, look at that. It almost looks like a supercar. It's like got like the wide. Oh, that was so cool. So if we look at the top here, this seems to be some kind of, I'm not sure what that is. Stop. Here's probably our LCD with some information. This is probably like go home button. This is probably stop button. This is okay button. This is a rain sensor, I think. This is probably where your satellite and all of your radar and Lidar stuff is. There are cameras on here to basically keep it from running into any kind of obstacles or kids or pets. So that's what you got, all your Lidars and your lights and your cameras there. Wow, look at this. One thing I want to do is I do want to flip this over. Definitely will be making a video on how to set this up, but the reason why I want to open it up today is because I want to get this charged for about 24 hours before I mess with it. I want to get this thing just plugged in and charged. So this is the bottom. Here's our wheels. So these probably just kind of free coaster around. This seems to be some kind of, maybe this is where the computer is. This is like a heat sink. And this is the cutting wheels, okay? So you see the cutting wheels do get pretty far over. Seems to be these doors here. Giant wheels. This keeps it from getting stuck anywhere. No power washing, obviously. This is probably, you don't want to be spraying. This is where the battery is. It's got these kind of, I don't know what these are, racing rubbing stripes. This is probably what keeps puts the designs in your lawn. Assuming this is like a perimeter sensor, like a bumper. So when it hits it, you can see it's got like rubber in there. Very nice. Very nice. So this is something I might consider actually waxing a little bit. Basically that'll help it clean later because when the grass gets cut, it turns like into glue. All right, so what do you guys think? Red hot, new on the market. There's two things to set this up. You need to place a docking station somewhere where you can plug the docking station in so that this can charge. And then you have this RTK. This probably also needs to be powered by the docking station as well. This basically needs to be somewhere in your lawn where it has a clear view of the sky, okay? Because what it does is once that RTK is placed, once this is placed and you make a map of your yard, it's basically just determining the distance from that RTK to wherever your perimeter is, okay? And that's how it knows where basically the robot is at any time. It also has like some security features, so if someone tries to steal it, you can find it, you have a pin. Also has obstacle detection inside the app. You can set up like no-go zones and stuff like that. But we'll get that into that in the next video. Please hit that subscribe button. Please like. Please leave me a comment down below if you want to know more about this, or if you have any questions or anything specific you want to see in the video when I do the setup. This is going to be the yard that it's set up in, right? I'm real excited to get it cutting here. I'm excited for the lines. It always looks nice to have those nice crisp lines in your lawn. I'm also excited to not have to do it myself. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I'm out.